Hi there, it's Laura from Make Life Lovely, and today I'm sharing with you a beautiful witch boots decoration that I made using some old thrift store boots I found. When I saw these shoes in the store, they reminded me of Victorian witch shoes, and I knew I had to have them, and I knew exactly what I would do with them. To make this witch's boot bouquet, first you'll need a pair of black boots. I found these boots at Goodwill for $12.99. They looked kind of like Victorian witch boots to me, so I bought them. You'll also need 2 round foam balls and lots of florals. You can pick florals in any colors or any style that you like, whatever you want to use in your home that matches your decor. First, I gave the boots a quick wipe down with a paper towel. Then I took 2 round foam balls and placed 1 in each boot. And this is what we'll be using to hold the flowers into the boots and to make them stick down inside. Next, you'll take your fake flowers and berries and picks, whatever you'd like to use. Pull off any tags that might be there. Then fluff out and separate the stems a bit so they look more full. I'm using some fall flowers and berries that I bought at Hobby Lobby last year and never used. Before you put each piece inside the boot, hold it up and see how tall you'd like it so you know where to trim it. Then you can use wire cutters to cut each piece. The wire cutters will work on most of the flowers. This one had a really thick stem, and so I just ended up bending it and twisting it, and it came right off. Just like with a regular flower arrangement, you want to make sure that you're using a variety of different colors and styles and shapes and sizes to make your bouquet more interesting. For each new flower stem you add, make sure to measure how tall you'd like it and then trim the end and then stick it inside the foam ball inside the shoe. When I was almost finished, I added a big fall pick that had a small white pumpkin on it that I thought looked pretty cute, and then I added some bigger purple flowers too. This witch boot decoration was so easy to make, and it took me under 10 minutes. Anyone can do this. This Halloween flower arrangement is so versatile. You can use it as a Halloween centerpiece, as a Halloween decoration anywhere throughout your house, or it would make the perfect gift for someone. If you want to make your own flower arrangement, I suggest you go to the thrift store and look for your own pair of witch's boots and make this easy, simple decoration. Happy crafting! Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crafty goodness.